Hello guys, Ben here, and welcome back. We're going to be actually doing the Athena 1, which is the goal to get to the moon. Or at least to do a flyby. That is the main goal. And we're going to do Jebediah first, because I didn't switch anyone out. So here we go. There we go. Wanted to start that turn just a little bit. Hopefully this all works. I've only got the moon contract. I actually did complete the test the engines contract. I should probably lift this all the way up. Man, these solid rocket boosters are really nice. And I could have launched a probe on top of one of these, and that probably would have done enough. Might make a sounding rocket if this one isn't successful. Okay, let's ditch those. Wait, and we'll go ahead and launch that, and we're still gaining velocity. I'm going to tilt this over just a little bit more. And we're actually going to tilt this one over most of the way. I want to go to the orbital map. Yeah, see, we're already up into space. So I just want to flatten the trajectory out. And I'm going to go ahead and do that. Fast forward a little bit. And then I want to kick that out. Actually, I probably shouldn't have done that, now that I think about it, because I really want my conics. I want to... And I'm just going to keep burning. Like this, trying to gain some velocity and, flatten this trajectory out. It will be a little bit weird. And there I can see that. And if I go here, I'm going to bring this up. And I'm going to actually go to my staging just so I can see my fuel. I'm going to do that. Okay, now I'm going to go back up to here. I'm going to go prograde. I'm going to burn here. Come on, Jebediah. You can do this. You can get into an orbit. You've done this before. And go orbital. How high is that? Okay. Now typically you want to save your injection burn. Did I do this so... Oh, I can EVA. Okay. I forgot I had upgraded the astronaut complex for that. So worst case scenario, push comes to shove, I can. Well, that stage worked. That actually worked extremely well. Now the way you want to do this is you want to burn when the moon becomes visible. It's generally the way you do it. I've done it before. I don't like doing it. Okay, I'm actually going to set, well, I can't even set it as a target, can I? No, of course I can't. Is that min-miss? Yeah, that's min-miss. Okay. Okay. So, here we go. The moon should just be getting visible here shortly. I'm trying to remember, is it 800 meters per second? So I want to be at around 2,900 meters per second. And when will I see it? There we go. Okay. This is very, very risky. Okay, and I'm going to stop at about 2,900 meters per second. And there we go. I'm going to cut it, see where we are. Well, I just went way too far. That was actually a lot. I should have been in this view. Okay, and, well, okay, so, slightly changing it. Not by much, it's basically just changing the orientation. There we go. I think that should be good enough. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward time here. Okay, let's see. Okay, signal strength very weak. Okay, let's and no signal. Oh, there we go, not connected. Ha. Okay, let's just speed this up a tiny bit. This is purely purely, okay, and okay, let's speed this back up. Let's see if we get a flyby, and then I can focus on working on a return trajectory. And I'm still trying to figure out how I may want to do this. Okay, oops, there we go. Speed this up a tiny bit. Yeah, it looks like we're not going to be getting our flyby today. I was off. Well, maybe I'll get a flyby soon. Whoa. Easy, 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 easy. Okay. Well, I mean, we sent the guy up with a lot of snacks, and not only that, but Kerbals, we don't have life support just yet. Hee hee. Okay. And as we get closer, I'm going to slow this down. That way I don't, go too crazy on the game. Because I've had problems with time acceleration before. Okay. Where are we connected to? KSC? Okay. Now that we're exiting, we might actually get our flyby this time because we are going to go a decent ways out. I'm just going to have to be very, very careful. Whoa. Explore moon. Okay. Explore the moon. Okay. Oh, cool. Flyby of the sun. Heh. Probably because that piece of crap. So, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to stage. I included those parachutes, but I guess I didn't need to do it while in orbit over the moon. Okay, we're going to keep that data. We're actually going to close the doors, though I guess it doesn't really matter. I'm going to open the service bay and use this. Now I'm going to try and land for somewhere unique when we get back to Kerbal. Oops. Log. Now we're going to get this. Yeah, I mean, we kind of are in a vacuum. Let's go ahead and take a crew report. Okay, and we'll do a quick EVA report. We're going to keep that data. We're actually going to take this, store the experiments, And can I reach this? No, I can't. Okay, so I'm gonna R. Always move very slowly. Collect the data, remove the data, take, collect it, yes. And always move very slowly. And we'll board. Okay, cool. And I can now close the service bay. We're gonna do that. And I'm actually gonna go into the orbital view now because guess what? We should now we should probably work on getting home. Yeah, we're still a long ways off. But we just reached our closest point. And as we get a little closer to exiting, whoa, okay. Okay, I want to drop that perigee down. Oh, yeah, I have to go here. And unfortunately, we are facing the wrong direction, so I'm going to turn this around. You know, it is kind of funny that my entire spacecraft that I've still got one of the initial stages, which is kind of funny, or not one of the initial stages, that we're still on the orbital insertion stage. Now, unfortunately, this isn't the best location for this, but okay, so okay, those should not ditch at that time. Honestly, I'm just going to put those with this stage. Yeah, no. Let's put them with this stage. Yeah, okay. Because that ditches, and that leaves all that stuff. I mean, I've already taken all the data, but just in case. So we're going to ditch that. And let's see, where's our perigee? Okay. Not low enough. So I'm going to go ahead and stage a little bit. And we're going to go there. We're going to look at this. Okay, that's good and low enough. We're going to actually go to here, and I'm just going to fast forward at 4 times speed, at least until we get a little bit closer. I can go ahead and do this just to make it a little bit faster. Let's just make sure. Okay, cool. Okay, I do not want to go too quickly. I'm probably going to drop this down a level or two. Okay, and let's drop it down to there. Oh, whoops. To reorient, I actually have to take this out of time acceleration. I'm going to do that. We're going to accelerate time a little bit. I'm actually going to put it back here, and I'm going to do that. And we are coming in very hot. Okay, I'm going to fast forward. I'm very curious to see where we end up. Because that's always fun to look at. Okay. Oh, I really do hope it's either the Badlands or the this area, this deserty area, or the mountains. But it looks like it's going to be the Badlands. Okay, I do want to slow us down a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good enough. We're gonna... Oh, yes, yes. Okay. Slow us down even more. Now this is a bit steep. Okay, let's watch the fuel. And when I get about, I think that's a good one. I'm gonna fast forward a little bit until about there. And try to, I may just do this as one whole final burn. Because I am definitely coming in very, very, very hot, and I want to try and limit that. I honestly expected this stage to not even last this long. I expected it to just be free floating. I want to try and get under 1900 by the time we actually hit the atmosphere. Okay, let's fast forward a little bit. There we go, there we go. And I'm just going to do one last final burn. Okay, and as soon as this is gone, we're going to stage this. Okay, we are in the atmosphere. I don't think we're actually going to be landing in the Badlands. I was hoping for that, but maybe we'll be close enough. Probably not, though. I'm going to have to put a sounding rocket to land in this area. Oh. Okay, let's ditch that. We're actually going to decouple that, and I'm going to take off SAS. And we're going to watch that blow up more than likely. Well, well, that was kind of successful. Oh, that was a really good mission. There you go, Jebediah. There you go. Okay. There we go. And I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to try and wait till like 5,000 meters to ditch that. I wonder if that's close enough to swim. Probably not. Man, I should have timed this a little bit better because that would have definitely worked out for us. Going to jettison the heat shield, and we're going to pop that out. And whatever. And here we go, and yep, there goes the heat shield. Thank you, heat shield, you served us well. And skadoosh. Anyway, the mission is over. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.